ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಅಂತ, ಇಮೆಜ್ಪಾಕ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ಗೆ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಓನರ್ CEO. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 30 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡ್ರೈ ರೇಷನ್ ಕಿಟ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ in these difficult times. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರು, ಅವರ KN ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ನೌ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀ 30 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಕಾರಣಾಂತರಗಳಿಂದ ಒಂಚೂರು ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ಯೂ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸಹಕಾರ ಬಂದರೆ ಮೋರ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ KN ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಫುಲ್ಲು, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಒಂದು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಕೋಟೇಶ್ವರ್ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರ ಥ್ರೂ ಈ ರಾಜ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆವಾಗಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂದನೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 10 people to 135 ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 6 months ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಇದ್ರೂ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಸ್ಮೂತ್. And I've been very fortunate to be associated with the KN group and grow along with him.
My name is Vajramani, part of KN Group Foundation. We have been organizing this, these programs from more than 20 years, and we started with KN Group started with basically to motivate, honor and young achievers, especially in school level, college levels, and to motivate them who have scored distinctions on those students. We encourage them, motivate them, and we give a responsibility to them. It's just not giving honoring each students with the medals or not, but what do they take at the end of the day message to the home? What do you motivate them? How do you encourage them? How do you guide? This is what we've been doing, and so far we have done we have honored 25,000 students individually, and last year alone we have honored 1,000 students. And along with the students, we also honor the parents to encourage them, so that as a reward to their parents. And now recently, during a pandemic, COVID pandemic, we started giving these food kits, not for every people, because there are so many organizations who've been doing this, but we are trying to reach to the unreachable people. For example, we went to Chamarajanagar and we have donated 300 kits, food kits. And just with the donation of food kits, we are bringing awareness to them what is the importance of this vaccination. There are a lot of resistance with go with the vaccination because of few bad examples where lot of death has happened because of a vaccination. That is an assumption. We have been giving examples, and we have told them, encourage them to go with the vaccination. Like how the kids, when the kid is born itself, they have given 6 to 7 vaccines in a year of time, and everyone will go through that pain and fever, and this is very common, similar to that. So you people have to take, and this is how we can prevent coronavirus. In case if we don't take this vaccine, there's a chances with getting infected and spreading of this virus to the other places are more. So this kind of awareness what we are bringing in along with giving a food kits to these people. And the other thing we have been recently, Auto Chalakra Sangha, we have last month we given a food kits to them also. Now they cannot come out and ask in a public. They also have a prestige issue, right? They cannot go out and ask. No, this is where we are going and reaching out from the KN Group. We are reaching out those kind of a group of people, and we are giving a food kits and also giving awareness about the vaccines. And last 2 days back we went to Tumkur, and then Kalavidara Sangha, they also called us and they've asked for this. Now they cannot go and ask in every people in the public, right? Now that's a little demotivating for them also, and a prestige issue. And this we event reached to them also. And like this we have been trying to reach only people who cannot go to the public or go and ask directly to the government. And here in the KN Group Foundation, along with the Midspark people over here as employees, now again the same problem, they cannot go out and ask for a people. We literally Bhaskar and their team literally identified who are the really need of these things, and for them we are giving these kits. And along with that, we want to encourage every talented people and motivate them and support them with their young talents with the unique ideas. See, everywhere we are trying to point out that bring up their unique ideas and talents. Now along with this, we want to spread this information. The main things we want to do a public, not in a bigger way. We want to asking a support for social medias and medias to take this to the out, so that other organization will be an example to other organization to help the other people. And the other group of youngsters also should get motivated, and they should feel that this COVID is not a really worst thing, that it can be controlled, we can overcome. That was a major intention that we, as along with this food kits, we are trying to come up with an idea.
ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೋನಾ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಅನ್ನ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ KN ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ರಾಜ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು, ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಟ್ಸ್ಪಾ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ CEO ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತು ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಧು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮತ್ತು ವೆಂದರ್ ಮುತ್ತುಂಜಯ. ಸೊ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರನ್ನೂ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದಾಗಲಿ ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ರಾಜ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು KN ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮಾಡೋ ಸಹಾಯನ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಬಂದು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ರಾಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು. ರಾಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರಾಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ರಾಜನಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೈಶ್ವರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ಜನರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಂತೆ ಬದುಕ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮೆಟ್ಸ್ಪಾ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ KN ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೆಟ್ಸ್ಪಾ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ಗೆ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಆಕಾಶದ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸುವಂಥ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
So yeah, my name is Keshav. I'm one of the president of KN Foundation, and KN Foundation majorly works on the part of like rural empowerment, and also like it will focus on giving a financial assistance and also empowering the entrepreneurs. So what we do is we will conduct an incubator program for entrepreneurs where they can finalize the idea and identify the idea and build an idea. And also KN Foundation works towards rural empowerment and rural education development. Till now, KN Foundation has conducted more than thousands of programs and identified thousands of achievers who have done enormous amount of good work in their platform, and also they have identified them and they have supported them financially and morally. So KN Foundation basically works with the agenda of give something back to society, so society will give something back to us.
So good morning. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಚಿನ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ AVP ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟ್ಸ್ಪಾ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್. Coming to what our organization is, we are a new age outsourcing solutions, wherein we wanted to take underprivileged or unskilled people and develop that skill. And definitely this is a new approach, and given that there are already giants in the industry, we had approached our mentors, Raj sir as well as Murli sir, and with the help of KN Foundation, like Bhaskar sir was telling, we were able to grow from a team of about 12 in the last November to about 135 and still expanding even today. We are established in more than 2 countries, India and US. We are into over 4 verticals now. But what we understand is that COVID has been hard for all of us. So ಈಗ ಏನಂದರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಥಿನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಅಟ್ ಪಿಚ್ಡ್ ಇನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ದಮ್ ಔಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈದರ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮಾರಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, KN Foundation and our CEO Mr. Bhaskar, they are always at their tip to help them out. ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ ಸೊ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ವಾಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ರೇಷನ್ ಕಿಟ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೀ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. It's postponed, it's just delayed, but yeah, that is happening soon. This is just the beginning. Our goal was to give it to all 135-140 employees, but COVID ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we are doing it batch wise. So ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಒಂದು 30 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸು, ಮತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆಚೆ ನಾಳಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 30 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. It is not to say that nothing else, it is just that KN Group is here to support, MedSpark is here to support our employees anta ashte. And coming to other philanthropical work, yes, definitely KN Group is well known, and we just ask more and more people to reach out proactively, so that they are aware that they are not alone in this situation. Somebody is there as a big brother who will definitely help them out. That's how he has been to us. So that's how that is what we would look forward to, wherein more and more people reach out to Raj sir, because he is definitely a gem of a person who's looking forward to help more and more people. I think in the last 1 month itself they have distributed thousands of ration kits, and not just that, financial support, educational support. He has adopted over 1,000 plus kids, and he has awarded over 25,000 kids who are doing excellent. So there are a couple of them who are able to meet their dream, like IAS officers, KS officers, who are able to grow. We just ask more and more people to reach out that way, and this can be set as an example even to other organizations, wherein they can do something similar. And definitely from KN Group MedSpark, we would love to carry this forward with other organizations as well.